Are you struggling with Netflix displaying a black screen on your LG TV? It's a common issue faced by many users, leaving them frustrated and searching for answers. In this guide, we'll address the problem head on and provide you with a comprehensive solution on how to fix Netflix black screen on LG TV. Sit tight as we walk you through some easy steps to get you back to uninterrupted streaming in no time. Step 1. Check internet connectivity. First and foremost, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. An unstable or weak network can trigger the black screen issue. Navigate to the settings on your LG TV and select Network. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or wired connection. If necessary, try rebooting your router or connecting your TV directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 2. Restart your LG TV. A simple restart can do wonders. Sometimes the Netflix black screen issue is simply due to a temporary glitch in the system. Turn off your LG TV. Unplug it from the power source and wait for about a minute. Plug it back in and turn on the TV. Launch Netflix again to check if the issue persists. Step 3. Update Netflix app. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for their optimal performance. Navigate to the LG Content Store, search for the Netflix app, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it. An outdated app may contain bugs that could lead to a black screen. Step 4. Clear Netflix cache. Clearing the cache can often resolve issues with streaming apps. Go to your TV's settings menu, select Apps, and then find Netflix. Choose Clear Cache to delete temporary files that might be affecting performance. Relaunch Netflix to see if this resolves the issue. Step 5. Update LG TV firmware. Ensure your LG TV's firmware is up to date. Head to Settings, select All Settings, then General. Finally, About this TV. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Updated firmware can fix bugs and compatibility issues which might cause the Netflix black screen problem. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service on your network, this could interfere with Netflix. Disable these services and try accessing Netflix again. Sometimes VPNs can affect streaming by blocking connections or slowing down your speed. Step 7. Deactivate and reactivate Netflix on LG TV. To reset your Netflix configuration, try deactivating the app and then reactivating it. Open Netflix, navigate to Settings, and select Deactivate. After deactivating, restart your TV, then sign back into Netflix and see if the issue is resolved. In this guide, we've tackled the common issues of how to fix Netflix black screen on LG TV by exploring several steps, from checking your internet connectivity to updating your Netflix app and TV firmware. Remember, these steps aim to pinpoint and resolve the root cause of the issue. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Netflix support for further assistance. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruption and dive back into Netflix universe with ease.